Hi, my name's Karen. I'm here with Brompton Bicycle here at Sea Otter, introducing our folding bikes made in London. The whole folding process is the cool part of showing you the bike, so I think I'll run you through that now. So we've got a few steps. This step is really cool because it keeps the bike upright. That's step one. Rear wheel comes under. Then we've got the handlebar coming down, seat post down. And so this mode is pretty cool because the bike can push around. In this mode, you can go inside stores. You don't have to lock the bike outside and risk it getting stolen. The handlebar comes down with gravity. And then the folding pedal comes inside. So when I lift the bike, it doesn't hit me in the leg. You can lift it by the saddle like that. You can fit a bunch of Bromptons inside your trunk, under your desk at work, when you're storing it in like an RV or something like that. So we have applications across all sorts of lifestyles. Thanks for stopping by the booth. We're at us.brompton.com, and we're sold at your local bike shop if you go to our Find a Store tool on the website as well.